What's up guys, my name is Alan and welcome to my channel Alan Architecture. So in this video, in this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a very cool kind of grid circle. Alright, Revit automatically has these grid lines that are not really nice or they are very cool anyway. This grid line automatically, this is what Revit gives you in as default. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how you can create a very cool grid line with this same grid circle as well, how you can modify, and sometimes you might draw a floor plan where this is going to appear very big, and how you can reduce the circle and the alphabets in there as well. Now you notice when you click on it and you go into the edit type, you cannot reduce that text, so Revit automatically gives you that. So I'm going to show you guys how you can modify or create a very cool grid circle. All right, so without much ado, let's get straight into the video. So now what you're going to move into your project browser, and then move into families. You see this plus sign beside it, just click on that plus sign, and then you are going to want to find annotation symbols. All right, it's probably just the second one. Click on that, and when you click on that, you're going to move into the M grid head circle. All right, the M grid head circle, you are going to click, just left click, right click on that, and then move to edit. All right, so we have now entered into that mode where we can reduce the text. We can reduce the text of that. We can change this to a Roman times. We can change this to a Roman time. We can reduce the text as well, 3.5, and we can make it bold, and we can change the color if you want. You can change that color if you want. So we've reduced the text, and then we are going to create some sort of like a very cool design to this grid circle. You are just going to go into this tab right here. We go into our field region, and then we are going to create this cool type right here. So we are going to start hover around, create this, and then we're going to hover around this, and then create this as well. So we are going to change that field region to solid. We are going to make sure you choose the solid black, duplicate it. We are going to call this red, and then we are just going to change the color. All right, we're just going to change the color of it. You just have to change the pattern ground color, that's all. Then we're going to hit on OK, and then we have this cool grid circle created in there. So we're going to load it into our project, override, perfect. So now anytime we are going to create our grid, is going to create exactly that design we just did. Now it's not just only circles, you can create it in a square form as well. The same procedure, just go in there and then you just change it into the circle. So this is how we create these cool grid circles in Revit. Very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be dropping more tips in subsequent videos to come. Thank you guys for watching.